Hello and welcome to the Lovespoon Workshop. Now today's video that you can see on screen at the moment, it's only a short one. It's a little bit of fun. One of the nice things with the Lovespoon, there's no rules or regs, so you can do whatever you want to. So what we're doing today, we're working on the carving of a cartoon cat. Now, basically, explaining what's going on screen, we're actually working on the basic shape of our Lovespoon design. So we're bringing out the shape of the head of the cat, the body of the cat, and also the heart below. So for anybody interested in wood carving, you can see you can always have a little bit of fun with what you're doing. Now sometimes we're working on bigger projects, more serious projects, but we always enjoy doing what we're doing. But this is a good example for how you can have a little bit of fun with what you're doing. So going back to the video, what you can actually see us working on in this one, we're now putting the actual detail. That's really what gives the carving its character. So initially you get your preparation done of a basic shape, you then work on the outline of the carving, and then afterwards you're adding all of the individual details. The wood that we've used for making this Lovespoon is a piece of recycled oak. So as always, it's from a sustainable source. An oak is a lovely timber to work in. There you have it. That is our completed cat Lovespoon. We hope you've enjoyed this video. We will be back soon with more content. But for now, if you've enjoyed it, feel free to like, comment or subscribe, and thank you for watching.